Hello and welcome. In today's video I want to show you how to spoof the location on an iPhone or Android device. Let's go. To do it we will need special software. I will use a special app called MocPOGO Location Changer. This app supports iOS and Android, but specifically in this video I will show you the iOS version. Now open the official website on your iPhone. All links will be in the description and press free download. Press download now, then press install. After downloading and installing, go to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management, find Enterprise app, press on it, and click Trust. Then press Allow and Restart. After the smartphone restarts, press Install Profile. Alright, now find and open MocPOGO app. It may also ask you to install iPad app. Install it. Also press Install VPN Configuration. Now you need to install the desktop version of MocPOGO. Go to the official site, all links will be in the description. Then press here free download. Install the app, open the app, then connect your iPhone via an original cable. Then press here on this toolbox. Then press turn on developer mode and press install OS app components. Now wait until it ends. Now open the app on your iPhone and press teleport, for example, to New York. Then press enable VPN. Then once again open MocPOGO app on your iPhone. And as you can see, the location has changed successfully. So now you can change any location you want. For example, let it be Los Angeles. All you need is to press teleport. And the location has changed. It works with all location-based apps, games, social media, dating, etc. Let's go ahead. Here, as you can see, you can use a multi-spot mode. You can add several spots. For example, let it be here, here, and here. Then press start. And as you may notice, the location starts moving. Here you can adjust the speed, etc. Also it has a 2-point mode, it looks like this, and it has a joystick. There is also support for games here. I mean games like Pokemon Go, etc. To change location in Pokemon Go, you should press right here on Pokeball, then press Go, teleport. And as you can see, the location has changed in Pokemon Go. Let's try another Pokemon. Press Go, teleport, and as you can see it's working perfectly. This app also has other features. For example, you can automate catching Pokemon, and it also has these game settings. You can set it up as you want. That's how you can simply change the location on your iPhone. If you're interested, all links will be in the description. Also in the description you can use exclusive coupon for 30% off. If this video helps, press the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. See you later, bye.